Switching gears, when it comes to fueling for success, Boston Celtics star Jayson Tatum, I would say it's safe to say he knows a thing or two about that.
Yeah, so much so I almost called him chef at the top of the
Right.
show. But actually, Chef Trenita is the woman behind his power-packed meals. So let's head back in the kitchen with her. You know her, you love her. Chef Trenita is back with us this morning. Thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me again.
We love when you're here because you always cook up something real delicious. And tonight we're going to cook up something that is one of Jayson Tatum's favorite dinner recipes. But before we dive into that, Chef, why is it so important, or what do people need to focus on when they are fueling at dinner time?
Fueling at dinner time is super important. You don't want to go overboard. You want to maximize getting in your protein, all your nutrients at breakfast time. So as you're coasting through your day, dinner should be light yet filling. So that's the trick with dinner. You don't want to go too heavy on your carbs. You want to balance it out.
And so this is the steak fajitas, one of Jayson's favorites. What do you need to whip it up?
To whip it up, I use a skirt steak. Normally I do some fresh tortillas for them, but to make it easy today, we just have an organic corn tortilla, bell peppers, onions. We side it with some rice, some salsa.
You're making the whole foods taste good, nothing processed in here. We're just getting the good stuff. Let's jump right in.
Let's jump right in. With the salsa, I use Roma tomatoes with some chili peppers. I have an Anaheim pepper here with a red onion. We're going to roast the tomatoes, the onions, get a little char on them first, and then we'll put them in a blender and mix it up.
So now with the steak, the star of the show, how do we prep this?
I just like to start off by seasoning it with a little salt and pepper, get a little char on it, and then cut up my peppers and onions, combine them all to a skillet, and then that's when I'll add in my fajita seasoning, which is a homemade blend.
So everything's done, it's ready to be plated, and so is there a secret? Is there a method to the madness here, or is it anything goes?
Go in.
I am gonna dig in here, but while I do that, Chef, how can people follow along with you and get their hands on stuff like this?
You can follow me on Instagram, chef_Trenita, TikTok _chef_Trenita.
That's so good.
And my website is thecultivatedchef.com.
You guys go there now. This is so good.
Thank you.
Well done. Well done.
Thank you.
Was it good? I can't
Are
tell.
you surprised? Are you surprised?
No, Chef Trenita, I want her to be a regular. She's so good at what she does.
Oh my gosh, it was delicious. And she just, what I love is that she was telling us that Jayson really just likes whole foods. Like nothing fancy, just like the good stuff.
Yeah.
And so we had a great time. And guys, the good news is we got more food coming up.
We do. But
so we'll just be eating our way through
this
today.
is a foodie show for sure. And make sure you go to our YouTube channel. You can see the previous one we did with her. And we have another one that's coming up on October 17th. Save the date in your calendar for that as well.
Yeah.